Hindi naman, ma'am. Bakit naman tayo iiyak? Hindi. Puro. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long brown hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight. Ay, parang di birthday. Bakit naman, ma'am? We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.